Hello everyone, we're here at Hard Rock Summit in Denver with Bergman Minerals Inc. and we have here some two beautiful specimens. So can you tell us a bit about your company and what we have that we're going to photograph today?
Yeah, we sell high-end crystallized mineral specimens. These are all exactly how they come out of the ground. Obviously, cleaning is taking place and whatnot. And today, since you guys are showing me this, we put a rhodochrosite from the North Schwanning mine in Africa, which was really a one-time find. It ranged from the late 70s to 82, a rare habit of rhodochrosite, as it had scalhedral crystals, which you'll see in the point that are kind of like this. And most rhodochrosite comes in rhombohedral crystals that are like squares or rectangles. This is the piece that you filmed. This tourmaline is from the Congo, and this has been a recent production. This is an older one from about 2 years ago. They're incredibly gemmy, and we try and save them from the cutters because they can cut bicolor gemstones out of them because of their gemminess. And the production is still happening, but it's slowed down quite a bit, and it has only been for about 3.5 years that they've been producing this in this deposit. That's the biggest problem with the natural specimens. The production usually does not last.
Okay.
All right, let's see what we got.